In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat notifications in Zoom. If you're looking for some quiet time to focus, or you simply don't want pings interrupting your day, this quick walkthrough will help you silence Zoom's chat alerts on your computer. First, open the Zoom desktop app. Make sure you're on the main home screen where you can see options like New Meeting and Join. In the top right corner of the window, you'll see your profile picture. If you haven't set a photo, it may show your initials inside a small circle. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the Settings window, which is where Zoom keeps all of its preferences. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click the one labeled Chat. This section controls how Zoom behaves when you're using direct messages and channels in Zoom Chat. Inside the chat settings, look for a section called Push Notifications. Depending on your window size, you might need to scroll a little to find it. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your screen and play sounds when new chat messages arrive. By default, Zoom may notify you about certain types of messages, but we're going to turn all of that off. Under Push Notifications, select the option called Nothing. This choice disables every chat alert from Zoom on this device. After you select Nothing, Zoom stops showing chat pop-ups and stops playing sounds for new messages, mentions, group chats, and channels. You'll still receive messages in the background and they'll be waiting for you the next time you open the chat tab, but they won't interrupt you with banners or dings. A quick tip here. Muting chat notifications won't stop meeting reminders or call ringing. It only affects Zoom chat alerts, so you can confidently focus without losing access to your messages. When you're ready to catch up, just open the chat section in Zoom and you'll see all your unread conversations. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, head into Settings, go to Chat, find Push Notifications, and choose Nothing. This fully mutes chat alerts so you can work distraction-free. If you ever want to bring notifications back, you can return to the same place and pick a different option that suits your workflow. Thanks for watching. If this helped, take a moment to apply the change right now so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused Zoom experience.